Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, what we'll be doing here, we'll apply to Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, guys, because both of them share the same platform, same engines. As you know, many of the parts are even interchangeable. The engines, transmission, everything is the same, guys. We'll explain, guys, if you have, guys, okay, if you have a code P0020, what can cause that code, and you may have some extra codes as well. We'll have those listed in the description of the video below that will relate to that code as well, and we'll explain what needs to be done, how we'll diagnose it, and how and what needs to be replaced to actually fix that problem. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including, guys, okay, this generation Ford Edge, will be making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So all we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts for our vehicles. Okay, and we usually get pretty good price on those. So this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, but it will be the same for Lincoln MKX, guys. So now open the door, guys, and find your OBD connector, guys. Okay, find your OBD connector, connect your your scanner right there. Now I'll come out and I'll show you what we need to do. Let me start the car now, guys. Okay, and you will, guys, notice, okay, you will notice that the car does not run rough, but okay, you may experiencing engine light is on. Check it out, engine light is on. You may experiencing increased fuel consumption, car not having enough power, guys, sometimes, car jerking or rough idle sometimes, not always, but sometimes you can experience that. So we'll turn it off, guys. Okay, we'll turn the ignition back on, and I'll show you what we need to do. Now right here, that's the scanner. Okay, let me show you guys what we're doing now. Okay, it's establishing communication, and it will take just a little bit of time. Codes found 1. We click yes. Now next step will be to click read codes, guys. Okay, right there, read codes, stored codes. Always check stored. Okay, the code that we have right here, P00. Okay, check it out now, right there, guys, P0020, and it says a camshaft position actuator open bank 2. Now I go back and I always check pending codes too, because you may have an extra code there sometimes. No, it just says 1 out of 1. So we'll, guys, go ahead, turn the car off, and I'll show you guys, okay, what we actually need to fix now. Okay, let's go ahead, open the hood now, and I will show you guys. If you need to buy any parts, again, we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. So let me come out. Okay, it's a little bit of a mess here at the shop. We've been staying pretty busy lately. We opened the hood, we support it, and now, guys, this is the engine right here. This is the 3.5 engine, guys. Now, looking at the engine, you have 2 banks, guys. Bank 1, bank 2, because it's a V6 engine, you have 2 cylinder heads. Bank 2 is the one right here, guys. This is bank 2. And if you get that code, you have a solenoid that's actually for the variable timing, guys. This solenoid right here. This 3.5 engine has a single timing gear. Okay, the later 3.7, I think it's a dual variable timing. This is a single one, so we have 1 solenoid per cylinder head. If you have the 3.7, you may have 2 solenoids per cylinder head, and this is bank 2, guys. Now always disconnected, guys. Okay, always disconnected. Okay, and check, guys, the connector, make sure that nothing's melted, make sure it's not melted by the exhaust or anything like that. Reconnect it and see if that fixes the problem. Now if that doesn't take care of the problem, okay, you will need to remove the solenoid, and you can try cleaning it. We have a video that is called how to clean, okay, Vvt Solenoid on Ford, guys. Check it out and it will explain what needs to be done, but you will need to remove it in order to clean it. Now how you guys remove it, you have to remove the valve cover, which is okay, that valve cover is easy to remove. You're just lucky that it's not on the back, because on the back it's quite complicated. So once you guys remove the valve cover, you will be able to remove the solenoid. If you need to replace it, we have the video on the channel as well. Check it out, it's called Ford Edge, okay, Vvt Solenoid Replacement. So we'll go ahead and replace ours, guys, and see if that takes care of the problem now. We replaced our solenoid, guys. It does take a little bit of time, so check it out. We have the video that explains how to do that. We'll come inside now. What I will do, I will turn the ignition back on. Okay, back on. Now what else we need to do here now? We're going to go back and we're going to click, guys. Okay, let's go back. Focus, erase codes right there. Erase done. So, what do we have here now, guys? Okay, let me show you. We'll turn the car off. Let's restart it. Okay, everything's good there. We'll go back, click read codes. Let's read codes, check pending codes. If you have a problem, guys, it will show up pretty quick. No pending codes, so that definitely fixed the problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.